Living with spinal stenosis isn't easy. Some days the pain is loud, some days it's just a whisper, but it's always there. But here's the truth I've learned. Movement is medicine. Even when you're dealing with chronic illness, being active, even in a chair, can help you stay stronger, healthier, and more in control of your body. Today I'm going to show you a day in my life where I keep my body moving with a simple chair workout I found right here on YouTube. Spinal stenosis or not. Chair workouts are a game changer. They let me strengthen my core, work my arms and legs, and even get my heart rate up, all while reducing the risk of falling or straining my back. And here's the kicker. Consistency matters more than intensity. I'd rather do 20 minutes of movement every day in this chair than push myself too hard and be stuck in bed for days. Chronic illness tries to convince us to sit still, to play it safe. But here's what I've learned. When I stay active, even on tough days, I have less stiffness, better mood, and more energy to do things I love. Movement isn't about perfection. It's about keeping your body working with you, not against you. So if you're living with spinal stenosis or any chronic illness, remember this. Your health is worth showing up for. Even if all you can do today is a gentle chair workout, that's still progress. Small steps add up to big changes. Stay moving, stay hopeful, and keep choosing health one day at a time. Y'all, I didn't finish my workout or the workout as they would do it, but I did as much as I could. My legs is starting to feel tight, like it's swelling, and I'm, feeling my nerves, and I'm feeling internal heat, and I'm sweating a whole bunch. So I'm happy that I did something today. And I want to say to you that you have to get up, even if you're in pain. Just walk around the table, just walk extra up down the stairs or up the stairs, something extra every day until you can add a little bit more movement. Because as they say, once in motion to stay in motion. I can't even get it right. I can't get it right. But let's put it this way. If you don't use it, you lose it. Okay? And so a lot of the pain comes from, the atrophy of the muscles and the tendons and the ligaments not being used. So just get better by trying to be better, by doing just a little bit of mobility, a little bit of movement every day so that you can keep your movement capacity, because the more that you just lay back and wallow in your pain, the more you lose the ability to move. And that's real talk. Love you guys.